Right, here's another example. A triangle again. We're told that this side here, OA, is 2A, and OB, this side down here, is 3B. And they want us to take the journey from A to B. Well, the journey from A to B can be done along lines we know by going the wrong way along OA, so it's AO, so that'll be negative 2A, and the right way along OB, which we vector 3B. So I can say that the journey from A to B, starting at A, will be down here, so that's equal to negative 2A. Now we're at O, and now we journey along OB, and this is simply adding, because we're going the right way along that vector, 3B. And that's your answer. Okay, let's have a look at example B. We're now told the point P divides the line AB in the ratio of 2 to 3. And we're asked to prove that OP is parallel to the vector A plus B. So it will have to be a multiple of A plus B. So what we're looking for is A plus B with a constant in front of it. It's an amount of A plus B, because A plus B defines the direction, and this defines the amount of the direction you go along. So we need to take the journey from O to P. Right. So first of all, let's deal with this 2 to 3 business. So this is the 2-bit, and this is the 3-bit. But we need to turn this ratio into fractions. And with ratios, the best way to deal with them is to say, well, look, 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is effectively 2/5 of the journey, and this is 3/5 of the journey of the whole thing, A to B. So I can say that AP is equal to 2/5 of the total journey of A to B. And we know from part A that AB is negative 2A plus 3B. So I can rewrite this as to 2/5 of our answer from part A, which is negative 2A plus 3B. But we need to do the journey O to P. Well, to do that journey, we go up to A on vector 2A. So this is equal to 2A plus, well, we've worked out AP. It's all of this. So this is copy and paste. So this is 2/5 negative 2A plus 3B. 2A, I now need to split this bracket apart. This is now going to be negative 4A over 5 plus 6B over 5. I always think when you're merging terms, one with an integer and a fraction, to turn this into a fraction over 5. You're putting it in a common denominator, effectively. So this is 10A over 5 minus 4A over 5 plus 6B also over 5. Well, we can merge these two terms together and we get 6A over 5 plus 6B over 5. Well, I can take 6 over 5 out as a factor. So this is 6/5 of A plus B. And that's what we were asked to prove. We have got a multiple of A plus B. So I can say, therefore, OP is parallel with the vector A plus B. And we've proved it.